Um, my name is Carey. I am a uh, lead lead engineer slash software developer for ThoughtWorks, which I've worked at for 3 years. And I have used AWS off and on for a decade, but not recently, not for the last 3 years, and will be using it extensively in the future, and felt that I needed to get a refresher on uh, AWS, all of the things that have happened in the last 3 years since AWS is a rapidly evolving platform, and to fill in gaps in aspects of it that I had not had occasion to use in the past, and to get a certification as a marketing tool, really, for dealing with clients. And Sprintzeal contacted me in December, and it was the right time because I was interested already in getting the certification. I thought the course has been good, covering the material. It basically met my expectations, and uh, the practicals were useful just to get hands-on with the basic essentials of using AWS again.